That's probably too fast. Welcome back, everyone, to part 4 of our series on what is first-party data. My name's Abby. In the previous video, I discussed the benefits of using first-party data in your marketing strategy. In this video, I'll be talking about how using first-party data can increase your marketing ROI. By targeting people who have shown significant interest in your business, you don't have to waste money or time on irrelevant, low-quality leads. Instead, you can focus your budget on the people who are most likely to convert with the highest customer lifetime value, leading to less wasted spend and a positive turn on your marketing investment. Using first-party data to segment your audience and personalize your marketing efforts can lead to better targeting, improved ad relevance, and ultimately, higher conversions. This results in a higher ROI for your marketing efforts. In conclusion, using first-party data is a powerful tool for increasing your marketing ROI. By targeting the right audience and personalizing your marketing efforts, you can improve the performance of your campaigns, resulting in a better turn on investment. Thanks for joining me on this series. I hope you now have a better understanding of what first-party data is and how it can benefit your business. Stay tuned for more videos on how to use data to improve your marketing strategy. That's it for part 4 of our series on what is first-party data. I hope you now understand how using first-party data can increase your marketing ROI. In the next video, I'll be discussing how to collect first-party data.